Assalamu alaikum. Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our factory talk view. So in this video, I am just going to describe you and show you how you create some momentary buttons and indicators in your screen to run your PLC program. So I am just going to a main and I am just drag main there, and I'm going to object and select the momentary button, and I'm just use that to there. You will see it have both states, so I'm just going to name it in 0 state. It means I'm just name it press, and in first state release. So you will see our button is now created. I'm just changing I'm just use as a bold, my tag is a bold. So where is my tag in the name? My tag will solid bold 10, and back color is caption color. I am just again as a 10 here. White is okay. White is okay, and then just apply it. You will see that's the button is look like an okay. So in the one state means 0. Now I'm just change it to press, and 0 state down to 2 things. Means 0 state press, and I think it is release is okay. So that both things are okay. We also select as a solid, and just so you see I don't need to enter any, and we also insert an image then, so I don't use an image. So back color, if we change the back color from blue to I use as a green, you see it is working. Oh, it is now going to green, and just again use as a dark blue. That is okay. And you will see here, and I'm going to change the tag to Arial is okay. We don't need to change Arial. So you will see border style, we change rectangle shape to circle. So if you select a circle, so it is now going to circle. Maybe rectangle is better. So how you will change your button in your FactoryTalk view. So our both state is now created. Why I think bold is why bold when things are not working, I don't know. Just that is okay. So I am just going to apply it and going to connection, select a tag, and you will see our start button, and just apply it. Just I am also name is start name is okay, and the stop name is okay, and apply and okay. Now I'm just make a copy of it, and just sorry, I again maybe so stop, and also stop. I'm just going to change that connection to stop pliers. Okay, we both use as a stop, so it is now going to as a start. Now our both momentary button is now created. It's showing different. I think something is different in there, so let's forget that. Now I'm just using as an indicator, so you will see it is for indicator, and I'm just select as a multi-state button. So I just going, you will select as a 0 as a 1, So as a 1 we are going to use as a on, and as a 0 we are going to use as a off. So I'm just taking white as a our our name, so I'm just use as a motor is now going to stop. You will see start and stop now has been created. I think our tagging is okay. Start, stop. So I'm just going to start simulation. All things has been now saved. Now you will see it's now working, and just use that there. Start simulation. You will see it is now latched and unlatched. I'm just show you down there. So that's it. Latch, unlatch, latch on, unlatch off, latch on, unlatch off. So that's how our Momentry button and indicator is now going to work. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, click the bell icons, and if you don't understand, do comments if you don't understand anything. So I will describe you. So thank you very much again.